Hi guys, it's our second video today. I need you to have your journals out and I think they're yellow and say spring, unless some of you are still in your winter ones that were green, but hopefully most of you are in your spring one and your little strip of a sentence strip for you to do. So you can sit that down, and before we do that, we are going to have our question hour. Okay, I promise it won't take an hour, but we're just going to call it the question hour. All right, I have 10 questions, and you are going to answer true. What does true begin with? Excellent. T. True. If something is true, it's right, real, nonfiction, absolutely, absolute. Okay, that's true. The real deal. Okay? This one starts with an F. Do you know it? Some of you already know it. Yes, I heard you. Good. False. False is no, negative, nada, nah. Anyway, non. Lots of different ways you can say no in different languages, right? I think you learned no in French. So false is not true. Okay? Not true. So, are you ready? There's 10. Let's see what kind of score you get. Do you want to take maybe your crayon or marker and count how many you get right? Okay, here we go. Fish have to come up to the surface of the water to breathe every 5 minutes. True or false? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. False! You got it. Fish do not need to come up to get air. They have gills. They breathe underwater. Okay, if you got that right, give yourself a point. Okay. Well, this one you might have forgotten, so give yourself a break if you don't get this one right. Okay, here we go. A whale's tail goes side to side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. False! Okay, how'd you do on that one? A whale's tail goes up and down. I can swim, says the whale, with an up and down tail. See the mighty whale wave his mighty tail. Okay, and a fish side to side. All right, question number 3. Here we go. Fish do not have scales. Another false. Of course fish have scales. Boy, 3 in a row. Falsies. Okay. All right. Let's try this one. A whale can give live birth, meaning it gives live birth, not eggs. True or false? True. Point for you. Okay. Fish have teeny tiny lungs right down in here to breathe with. You said false, I hope. Fish have gills. We learned about that on Tuesday or Monday. Okay. Oh boy. I think I have more false ones than true ones. Here we go. Whales have shiny little scales just like rainbow fish. False! Give yourself another point. Okay. A whale's tail goes up and down. True or false? You got it. True. Okay. 3 more. Here we go. Whales lay eggs. False. False. All right. Oh, this is a tricky one. I didn't talk about this one. You just have to think about it and see if you can get this one right. Okay. Both the whale and the fish have a backbone. You know, whales are mammals, right? And we have backbones, and we're mammals. Now, I don't know if you've ever cut open a fish, but they have something down their back from front to the end. So, do they both have backbones? Yes, they're both vertebrates, and that's one thing they have in common, right? All right, last one. Take a look at your score. Let's see how we're going to do this time. Whales live in all of our oceans on the planet Earth. True or false? This one I think I did tell you on Monday. True. You got it. All right. Count how many ones you got right. Did you get all 10 out of 10? I think I scored. I think I was going to get, I almost forgot about that one about all the oceans. But I hope you had a good score, and I hope that you can remember those whale and fish facts and what fish and whales, what's true about them, what's real and what is not true, and be able to share some facts about whales with your friends and family. Alrighty, my friends, go ahead and get your journals, and let's get ready to write by pressing our hands together, pulling our fingers both ways, and hugging yourself tightly both ways, and shrugging your shoulders. Raise them, pull them back, and stop. Pull them forward now. Good job. And remember, when you're going to write, I'd like you to sit in a chair, sit at a table, have your back straight and your arms on the table, your pinch your fingers ready. You can use markers today if you like, and pinch and rest on tall man, and then rest your arm on the table, and your other arm can hold your page down. All right, so I'm looking at my first page. Last week, I like to copy the writing. You can either trace over the writing I have here or copy it by yourself to practice doing your own writing. And just remember the space between the words. The wind blew my flower away is what I put last week. So this week, you can choose to, I ran out of strips, so I had to make another one for me. But you can choose to trace my favorite whale is, and you can trace over that and glue that down, or you can look at it and write it here instead. And remember, one arm holds your book pages down, the other arm does the writing. Okay, now I was wondering if you would like a little maybe guidance or a little bit of help on drawing whales. I know we talked about two different kinds of whales. We talked about a toothed whale and a humpback whale. And I've got some Sharpies that are some dry erase pens. I can kind of show you one way that I can help you learn to draw a whale, or maybe you've already got it down. I think you made some beautiful ones with Teacher Melissa and Teacher Christy yesterday with the Sharpie and the watercolors. That was gorgeous. So I would like to start with kind of a sideways triangle that isn't closed, okay? And then I'm going to decide whether I want to make a toothed whale, because this is going to be the mouth, okay? A toothed whale would be like a killer whale or a sperm whale, or even dolphins are also toothed mammals. Or if I want to do a baleen whale, like a humpback or a blue whale, maybe I can draw my sideways triangle again. I'm going to draw, do you remember this, guys? Baleen that catches the krill or the small shrimp or the crustaceans. Okay, so there's my baleen. Now I just need my body. So you can go up and kind of do sideways S's. And then we have our tail and kind of some swirly, curvy lines, okay?